Hey guys, so I'm back again here. So let's kind of move forward a little bit, kind of let you know what I trade typically. Typically it's NAS, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Occasionally I'll throw in a US 30, which looks like it's just breaking through, and I'm going to get just a quick scalp here. This is all new time highs that it's breaking right now. So as you can see, we're right now at a double top. I am more towards a Elliott wave kind of guy. So to me, when I look at this on an H4 level, you can see this thing's just been going up and up and up. It's like never ending here. So it's really at an extended wave 5. And then let's see, let's go back here. Yeah, this thing's just plowing. So right now, if I just kind of ride this momentum a little bit, just get a quick scalp. Again, this was the high. Okay. And where are we? So US 30. All right, so let's just keep this thing rolling a little bit. So it's kind of in never man's land. I don't know where this is going to head right now. If I just do a quick Elliott wave extended fib level. So we're going to say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll go up to see where the 5 is. So this is again my 2, and we'll bring it out to 3. And then we're going to go to the bottom. So where the 4 is, this is the correction wave here. Okay, so this brings us to our golden pocket, which is 61.8 or 65. So this is kind of my target right now. So I'm going to leave it up there for now. Okay, and we're going to see how this thing kind of matures. Now, since it did just break the top, this thing could again come back down again. Could come down to this level, could come down to this level. But if we just look at this little minimum extended fib level here, this is probably a pretty good idea of what we're looking at on this. Okay, so I'm going to leave this guy here. NAS, I am looking to get into a buy on NAS, so I'm going to pump this up a little bit. I'm going to go here. I'm going to come down. So let's see, I have a buy. I still have my sell here, but I think this is ending. And we're going to kind of make our way back up to probably around this level, somewhere around there. So that's kind of where I will kind of take this quick scalp up. However, in the longer term, go to our H4, you can see we are on the downtrend. Okay, you can see this going down here. So everything's kind of coming down. Now, if we were to break this high, again, this just tells me that, again, we're in a wave, extended wave 5. Okay, so if we do the same kind of analysis here, so if we say this is our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, then we can kind of see ultimately where we potentially can get to. So let's put this here. This is our lowest level. Okay, so pretty easy. You'll see I go to my highest. Okay, go to the highest here in the beginning of the stage. So this is where you start your 1. This would be your 2. This would be your 3. Okay, and then your lowest, which is your corrective wave, number 4, is here. And then, so NAS, sometimes it's the golden pocket, it's that 61.8 area. However, sometimes it can go right to the 100. So just depends where we're at, but you can see there's still room to go here. So overall, I think this is going to continue to go up, but in the interim, if we can get lower than this wave 4 here, I don't know if we're going to break it. So I think it's just kind of messing around. I think we've hit our corrective wave 4. And then what happens here is we get another 5 waves. So this is a subwave of wave 5. Okay. So let's do this. We're going to go into a lower time frame. Okay, let's pull this out a bit here. Let's see what my wave is. It's hard to do it on MT4 because it doesn't really show you. Doesn't show you. My thing kind of went away. It's just kind of weird. Okay, there we go. That's what I was saying here. This is my end of wave 4. So now if we follow this, hold on a second. Let me go back. Yeah, got it. Okay. So that is it. So here, what I would say here is you get your 1, your 2, okay? This is your 3, which was the all-time high. And then now we're all the way down here to our 4. So our corrective wave is here. And you can see that. It's, you know, we got a kind of a 1, a 2, probably a 3, and a 4. And this is kind of where we are on the 5. Let me just kind of just do a quick little double check of this. If I go here, and this here. Yeah, you can see we're at our 161.8, which is more than likely the last of that corrective wave. Okay, so that kind of gives you a heads up. You got to read the subwaves to kind of see if you're going to head back in the other direction. And 161.8 typically is the end of the wave. Okay, it can go extended to 261.8, you know. But typically 161.8 is kind of where it's at. So I'm going to take that off because that's kind of where I think we are. I think we're headed back up here. And again, we're going to come up this level or this level where it will end. So let's see. Yeah, got the buy. So I'm going to close out of this sell. Okay. Little quick scalp here. So I think we came to the end right here. And now what we're looking for is another whole new wave. So this could be our 1, this could be our 2, and so on, 3, 4, 5. So I just do a fib level on this. I'm going to bring it up to here. So it really did come down pretty low. That's really low. I don't really like to trade that low on the retracement. This is my golden pocket. Okay, this is the 61.8, 65, and then right around here is about the 78.5. And then here you're probably like at a 90 because this is your 100. Okay, so it came down awfully low, which just means when it comes down so low, that just means it's going to take a longer time to get up here. If it hits here or here, then it usually is a quicker, retracement back up. Okay, so just kind of an FYI there. So anyway, so I'm going to ride this up. So if I do a quick little fib extension off of this, so we're going to go from here to there. Let's grab this guy and bring it down to this. So usually my third wave, so remember 1, 2, so we're in a third wave just starting out here. Usually it goes to the 161.8 most of the time. And then I'd say maybe a quarter of the time, a third of the time, it's going to hit you 100, and very rarely does it stop at the 65. Okay, so if you want to be super safe, you go to your 100 and kind of hang out and kind of see where it's at. But for now, we're just going to throw this up to there. I'll put 1 at the 100, okay, and I'll keep 1 at the 161.8. If you look at this here, you could do a take profit 1, take profit 2, and then a take profit 3. Okay, that's probably your best way of looking at these fib levels on the extension. Alrighty, so I'm going to keep that rolling. So let's see where else we're at. I very rarely trade oil. I just think it's really extended. So I just threw a little lot size at it. So not a big deal there. Bitcoin. Let's see where we're at here. This I'm doing that My Forex Funds, and they don't give you much data here. I mean, look how I'm cut off from December 23rd. I can't even scroll out any further, which is kind of shitty. So I think what's happening here, what we're doing is we're kind of in this downtrend, this channel here, and we'll probably kind of get down here level, and then I think this thing is just going to bust up. So I'm going to sell right now. I'm looking to ride that. I'm looking to ride that down, probably to ride it about here. I'm not sure if it's going to hit this level, but just to be safe, I'll probably come down to here. Okay, so we'll keep that take profit there. And then I think this thing's gonna, again, we'll be starting to shoot back up again. Okay, here we are at the new year, January 5th. So again, we'll keep our eyes on this. But like I said, so my trading is partly Elliott wave, and then price action. You know, you got to play the market. The waves aren't always going to abide. You know, you look at it and you say, wow, it should have done that, right? But it's not always the case. Okay, so if I look here, what I ended up doing here, this is a 1, a 2, and then I did a 3, and I thought this one should probably go here. It's a little higher. Okay, so let me just extend this guy out. Let's go here. Let's go gray. Should go out. Yeah, there we go. All right, so Ethereum. Ethereum, again, this is kind of where, again, this is what I call the golden pocket, okay? So a lot of times you're going to see things just kind of bounce off this level. See here, came down, bounced. Came here, bounced, okay? So this, again, could come back down here, and we could get another bounce before it starts heading up. We have, what did we get here? Do this, ABC. You know, this also could be an ABC correction, which ABC most times will hit your 100, okay, because your C wave has to be the same size as your A wave, okay. But when it comes to like Bitcoin, you know, Ethereum, usually it comes back down to your golden pocket and doesn't kind of come down here. So again, this is something just to keep an eye on. There's an A, so we got an A, a B, and then either your C here or your C here. This is MetaTrader 4, so it doesn't even have Elliott wave. Yeah,